So one of the questions that I get asked the most on this channel is, can I do this job from anywhere in the world, or can I start this business from anywhere in the world? So today I decided to come back to you guys with 7 new companies that are always hiring for remote online jobs. And these jobs you can apply to from anywhere in the world. All these platforms have options for you guys to work from anywhere in the world. So it doesn't matter if you are not based in the US or Canada or UK, you should be able to find something here. Not only that, but all of these platforms also have lots of entry-level remote jobs that you will be able to apply to. So don't worry if you don't have a lot of experience, you can still find lots of opportunities. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first platform that I want to talk about is called Truly Remote. So you only need to go to trulyremote.co, and already on the main page, you will be able to see the jobs that they have available. You can also click on jobs in the top menu, but you don't really need to know. When you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to pick the type of job that you're searching for. So let's say you have some experience with customer service or operations or designs or sales or marketing, then you can easily filter those jobs. And then if you want a specific hiring location, then you can pick whether that's North America, Asia, Africa, Europe, Latin America, or Middle East. But you can also filter for worldwide. And if you do that, then all of the jobs that you'll be able to see will be available from anywhere in the world. So we have got here Senior Product Analyst, QL Manager Blockchain, Senior Product Manager Web Experience, Growth Project Manager, Intermediate Backend Engineer, PaySpark Developer, Sales Engineer, Security Engineer Remote, Trinity Analytics Specialist, Senior QA Automation Engineer, Senior Product Designer, Talent Acquisition Manager, Senior Product Analyst, and Social Media Manager, and many other worldwide remote opportunities. So as you can see, there are very diverse type of jobs on this website, and you will be able to find something no matter what type of experience or what type of skills you have been able to accumulate so far. So the second website that I want to talk about is called Smart Workers Home. So you can go to smartworkershome.com, and again you have got a menu at the top where you can select remote jobs. But if you scroll a little bit lower, you will be able to see job categories and remote job location that you can pick from. So you can choose worldwide, remotely, or any of the regions that you might prefer. So I am gonna click on the worldwide remotely for now, and I won't pick any job category because I want to see all of them. You just click on find remote jobs, and it looks like right now there are more than 10,000 remote opportunities available. So let's see what options we have. Senior Production Designer, Graphic Designer, Senior Customer Success Manager, Technical Support Representative, Customer Support and Community Specialist, Senior Backend Engineer, Content and SEO Marketing Manager, Special Investigation Specialist, Special Projects, Binance, Freelance Gaming Writer, and thousands of other remote worldwide opportunities are available here. So what I really like about Smart Workers Home is that here you can find part-time freelance as well as full-time jobs. So regardless of exactly what you're looking for, you should be able to find something. And with almost 10,000 jobs available, I think there's something in here for everybody. So the next platform that I would like to introduce you guys is dailyremote.com. So you come to dailyremote.com, and again you get to filter, and they have many more filters than what we have seen on some of the previous platforms I have shown you. So here you can search by title, company, or keyword. You can choose the category of the job that you are searching for. So virtual assistant teaching, recruitment, healthcare data entry, marketing, finance, legal, product writing, sales, sport design, or software development. You can also filter by employment type, so internship, part-time or full-time, as well as by salary. So you can pick only the salary that fits your criteria. Let's take a look. They have a freelance writer job that is available part-time from anywhere in the world. So they have a business strategy and operations senior analyst, accountant, part-time remote physiotherapist, software engineer, AI product, freelance writer, and senior copywriter. So as you can see, some of these jobs are available from anywhere in the US, but many are available worldwide. So what you want to do is click on worldwide here, and then you will only be able to see the jobs that are available from anywhere in the world. So we have got accountant, freelance writer, full stack engineer, program manager, QA analyst, senior front-end developer, marketing manager, and SEO freelancer, and so forth. So again, here you see there's a good mix of entry level as well as more senior jobs. So if you have some experience, then you can absolutely find some opportunities that would fit your criteria here as well. So the next platform that I suggest you guys check out is called TTEC Jobs. And I don't know if I am supposed to pronounce it like T-Tech Jobs or TTEC, but you get the point. You go to ttecjobs.com, and then you will be able to either click on the work from home or click on career path, and there you have certain categories in which you can find job here on ttecjobs.com. So let me click on customer service. Simply scroll down. You have here jobs available for India, Colombia, Bulgaria, and US. So you see, even if you're not based in the US, if you're lucky enough for TTEC specifically to be based in one of these locations, there's definitely great opportunities for you to check out. So the fifth website that I think you guys need to check out is called jobtogether.com. So only come to jobtogether.com and you will be able to see most popular fully remote in number of categories that are available. So here's like tech, sales, marketing, operations, customer service, administration, HR, writing, and data entry. So you can just scroll and you'll be able to filter for the type of job that you are interested in. And I'm pretty sure you can say you are remote from anywhere you prefer now. What I really like is that on the left side, they have a much more comprehensive menu. So you can filter based on your salary, preferences, based on the language that you speak and that you'd like to be speaking in that job based on the type of contract that you would like to have. So internship, fixed term, permanent, freelancer, part-time, you can pick based on the flexibility or other perks that you are getting based on the industry, the company, as well as your experience levels. So if you are entry level or junior, you are able to filter for that and only see the jobs that are available as entry-level remote jobs. So you can see they are almost related to tech and development, but there are some HR related jobs as well. So data entry, clerk, remote work, and I think these are really good opportunities for now if you want remote from anywhere. So what you want to do is come here and filter from anywhere, and this way you will be able to pick only from the jobs that are available from anywhere in the world. So that's it guys. I suggest you write down or maybe bookmark all of these websites. I'm gonna link everything down below. So don't worry if you haven't caught all the links. I'll make it as easy as possible for you guys, but I suggest you go ahead and check out all of them. If you're looking for remote jobs, online jobs, work from home jobs that you can do from anywhere in the world, and obviously if you're biased toward the location, you can always filter for that. But as you have seen, all of the websites that I have shown you today are hiring always from anywhere in the world, and you can easily filter for that and you will be able to see only the jobs that really truly apply to you. Alright you guys, that was it for today, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope the video was helpful. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any query or anything that you want me to cover in this channel. So I suggest you guys go ahead and watch this video over here and like this video. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Take care.